Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to drop all the sample schemas in Oracle Database 23C free edition. Okay. So previously I have installed some sample schemas in Oracle Database 23C. So now I am going to show you how to drop all the sample schemas one by one. Okay, so first step is I have logged into sqlplus as a HR user. Okay, so to check whether HR user is alive or not, yes, it's alive. Next I am connecting as OE, that is order entry user, to free PDB1 instance. Yes, I can able to connect. Next I am checking as sales history user. Yes, I can able to log in. Okay, which means that all the sample schemas are alive, which means that all sample schemas are up and running. Okay, now let me log into the sqlplus as sysad free PDB1 as sysdba. So I am logging as a sysdba in free PDB1 account. Okay. Okay, now let me come to another terminal. So here under Oracle database home directory, under demo, under schema, I can see human resources directory is there, that is human resources schema is there. So this I already extracted. Okay, so under that I am going to execute HR underscore uninstall.sql. Okay, so this is the path where uninstall SQL is available. Okay, yes, so very quickly you can see that HR schema is removed. Okay, next I am going to drop sales history schema. So this is the directory where sales history uninstall.sql file is available. So I am going to execute that sh underscore uninstall.sql to uninstall the sales history schema. Yes, so sales history schema is successfully uninstalled. Okay, come back. Now I am going to customer orders. Okay, so I am going to uninstall customer order schema. So this is the directory where co underscore uninstall.sql, that is customer order uninstall script is exist. So make sure that you are connected as sysad free PDB1 as sysdba. So frequently it may be disconnected. Okay, so make sure that you are connected. Okay, now let me execute co underscore uninstall.sql. Yes, so customer order schema is also dropped. So in previous version of Oracle database we have one file name called drop underscore sh.sql, which will drop all the schemas, but here we need to drop one by one. So that is a big difference here. Okay, after dropping I am rechecking whether I can able to connect as HR sales history and customer order user. So I am unable to connect, which means that HR, SH and customer order schemas are successfully dropped. So you can verify in SQL developer also. For time being I am verifying in sqlplus itself. Okay, now once again I am logging as sqlplus sysad free PDB1 as sysdba. So now I am going to drop two remaining schemas, order entry schema. Okay. So order entry schema does not have uninstall script, so I am manually typing the script. Drop user OE cascade. Yes. Next I am going to drop product media schema. Drop user PM cascade. So product media schema also drop. Okay. Now let me verify. So let me verify whether it is dropped or not. Yes, order entry schema is dropped and it's verified. Next, product media. Yes, product media also I am unable to log in, which means that schema is dropped. Okay, so we have dropped all the sample schemas which was running in Oracle database 23 free successfully.